Hey, how y'all doing today? Uh, all I want to know is who loves a backyard pool party? I know I do. That's why I got me a pool. Now my pool parties off the chain. I barbecue. I got a little ball on one side. I tell my friends. My children tell their friends. Their friends tell their parents. And all of a sudden, I got about 20, 25 people in my backyard, and we're having a grand old time. We watching the kids swim. We go out there and swim. We eating good. We got the smoke from the barbecue. We got the Bluetooth speaker playing, and everyone is having a good time. No problem. All because of a pool in your backyard. What's not to like about that idea? Now, besides the fun of having a pool has many more benefits for your property. The first thing is it adds value to your home. According to Redfine, which is a real estate broker that's a public trading company on Wall Street, says that in Atlanta, Georgia, a pool adds roughly a little more than $26,000 value onto your property on an average. That was from a news article by PR Newswire that was published March the 12th, 2019. So having a pool in your backyard, fun, and adds value to your property. Another advantage of having a pool is learning how to swim and swimming. Swimming is a life-saving skill. That's another good thing. You can save lives by knowing how to swim. Also, swimming is very healthy for you. It's a great exercise. According to a news article published by Daily News and Analysis on February 17th, 2020, swimming burns calories, reduce aging, alleviate stress, and hypertension. And it also boosts good moods. Swimming for 30 minutes a day, at least 3 days a week, is an excellent workout. And it's also a low impact workout. It doesn't hurt your bones or your joints. And also, according to the website called Northeast Ohio Family Fun, swimming and pool activities helps promote good motor skills in your kids. It also enhances intellectual and emotional development and also builds brain power. Pool activities and swimming. So let's recap. Not only are you having fun, but you're making money, and now you're becoming healthier by exercising. I don't know what else to say. Adding a pool has plenty advantages. And with the COVID-19 going on, guess what? Chlorinated pools does not spread the COVID-19 virus. As a matter of fact, they say chlorinate the pool kills most viruses. It hasn't been proven that it kills the coronavirus, but it kills most viruses. So it's also pretty a healthy exercise. Instead of going into the gym where you sweat and you got to wipe off the benches, you can just jump in the pool. Do none of that. Very interesting. Huh? So now let's recap this. You're having fun, you're making money, you're exercising, and you are not spreading the COVID-19 disease. I don't know what else to say. But hey, go out and buy yourself a pool. And if you're interested or have any questions after my presentation, come and see me and we'll get you started. Above ground pools averaging around 3,000, in ground pools averaging around 20,000. So hey, come see me.